Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, sliding rear window, towing package, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, privacy glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.